Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to put a table on Elementor. If you're building a website and need to display organized data like pricing plans, schedules, or comparisons, adding a table through Elementor is one of the most efficient ways to present that information clearly. Let's walk through exactly how to do this. First, you'll need to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Pages option in the left-hand menu and click on it from the drop-down that appears. Select Add New. This creates a fresh page where you can start building your table layout from scratch. Next, you'll be prompted to give your new page a title. Type in something descriptive that reflects what the page will be about, whether it's a pricing table, product comparison, or any other structured content you're planning to display. After you've entered your page title, click the Edit with Elementor button. This launches the Elementor editor, which is where all the magic happens for designing and customizing your page visually. Now that you're inside the Elementor editor, you'll see a blank canvas waiting for your content. Look for the plus icon, which is typically located in the middle of the page or along the top toolbar. Click this icon to add a new section to your page. Sections are the building blocks of any Elementor page, and they give you control over how your content is structured and laid out. After clicking the plus icon, Elementor will present you with several structure options. These are essentially different column layouts that determine how your table will be organized on the page. You might see options for 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns, or more complex grid layouts. Select the table structure that best fits your needs. For instance, if you're creating a simple pricing table with 3 tiers, you choose a 3-column layout. This selection sets the foundation for your table and ensures your data displays properly across different screen sizes. And there you have it. You've successfully set up the basic structure for adding a table on Elementor. From here, you can start filling in your content, customizing colors, fonts, and spacing to match your website's design. The beauty of Elementor is how intuitive it makes the entire process, giving you full creative control without needing any coding knowledge. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.